don't want the salt. You're a funny girl.
Yeah. So now we're like all those other drama channels.
Look at that.
Talk about their food.
Right? Oh, you want to see me eat? I'm just kidding.
It's a funny looking reindeer.
Yeah, you're not on that list either.
Nope. Are you? Nope. Neither one of us are on that list. That must be the nice list.
You see them? Okay.
Oh, look at that. Laura's on the nice list. Or is that the naughty list? Please remember to have the water fired at all times.
Luggage, you sit back, your time. Securing luggage and take clothes and your seatbelt security fastener. We wish you a pleasant flight. Thank you.
Feeling all like high class on Air Tahiti in our little felt sack. Earplugs. Face mask. That's so I don't have to look at Jim. Socks.
Entrée en Polynésie française, la fiche statistique et les ressortissants suisses ou de l'Union européenne. We're about to have other documents required for embarking in Tahiti. Must complete the and non-Swiss citizens.
It's a low sodium,
It is a low sodium meal.
specially requested low sodium meal.
Let's see if it is. I don't know what that is.
I don't know.
Might be pudding. Oh, that
Look at
works.
that. Yeah.
Yes. Chicken and quinoa with some raisins and veggies, steamed veggies.
Beautiful. For airplane food.
Except I want your unsalted butter, and you can have my gluten-free butter. Look at that. That looks really nice. Teriyaki chicken, broccoli, and rice. It's hot.
It's hot. Huh? Ah. No, I got it. We made it to the airport.
Coconut oil.
Ready for our cruise. Our setup when we got here, we got some champagne chilling on ice. Look at that. Should we pop the top on some champagne? We got our bags set up. We'll do a room tour maybe after we're unpacked.
Yeah, chocolate covered strawberries, fresh fruit.
Oh yeah, look at this. First night out here on our lanai, our balcony lanai. So we're still at the dock. We're gonna leave, you know, I really don't know when. But I'll be asleep when we do, and when we wake up in the morning, we'll be on a different island in French Polynesia. How cool is that? That bar down there is hopping. Okay, day one of Paul Gauguin Cruise. Is this considered actual day one?
Oh, fuck no.
They come.
I said, okay. Sorry.
They might. Well, we've had some champagne, if you can't tell.
Some.
So, we just got to the boat. So day one. This is not day one. Tomorrow is day one.
This is like day 4, and we're just.
We've been traveling for a while. We're a little loopy. So we finally made it to the boat, anyways, and we are in our room. And we have had some champagne and met up with everybody, and we are figuring out what we're going to wear tomorrow on our ATV excursion.
She's picking out of some. Yeah. But it's snorkeling also.
Right? There could be some snorkeling involved.
Well, you know.
Got a snorkel and a Santa hat. What else do you need for snorkeling? Snorkel, Santa hat.
Need a bikini.
And a bikini. I don't need a bikini. You might need a bikini. Oh, someone's knocking at our door.
And
You're on
offered-
camera.
offered to open the door for me.
Uh-huh.
I said no.
Right? What do you
I will
need?
give you the illusion of privacy. I was just going to come and visit.
Well, come on in.
Come on in.
We're just deciding what we're gonna do. Well, I'm filming, of course.
You are filming.
We're doing the tour. It says to bring snorkel gear.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah. That's what we
shoot.
just said.
So
Nah,
we're
that's
gonna
okay.
have to go in the morning and go down to the bottom thing, to the marina.
Okay. So
Right.
Yeah.
while we figure it out, we're gonna have a happy ride day broke next tomorrow.
Yes. I've got my mask.
I
Right?
got my mask. I need a snorkel.
I just need
Bye, everybody.
mask and snorkel.
Room service. Don't mind them. Don't mind the messy bed. Room service.
Good morning. Here we are on the Paul Gauguin, coming into Huahine. Yay! First day. Got in late last night. Jim's taking a shower, getting ready. It's gonna be a glorious day. So I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna enjoy the view. And I'm gonna start with some morning cappuccino that they brought to me.
Oh, it'll probably fog up on us now. We went from air conditioning to whoa, this is a tight squeeze.
Yeah. You know how happy I am to be back here.
Welcome to Huahine. Yep. Ooh, with a fresh coat of paint on her too.
I know.
Hmm?
Stay for a minute.
Good, good. How about you guys?
Wonderful. They're waiting for Penny. ATV ride, getting to the ATVs in the back of the truck. Happy ride day, Brokenecks. We're in the back of a truck and we're headed for somewhere on Huahine. We're gonna ride four-wheelers. Yeah.
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 Yeah. Yes.
Doesn't look like it. We'll get it on the four-wheeler ride probably. We're stopping here real quick so the ladies can use the restroom before we go on our four-wheeler ride. And so I'm gonna run over here and look at this beautiful place. I might like this is someone's backyard, but I don't know. I don't know why, but that looks like a giraffe. Oh, there we go. Cool. Beautiful. Well, after a quick instructional on how to drive a four-wheeler, we are officially driving. Apparently I didn't listen to the instructions.
So we had like what, 100 days of rain. Yeah, there's definitely a tidal current.
Oh yeah. All right, so we stopped here for a swim and enjoyed some Huahine ocean time. And now we're gonna take back out. Beautiful day. Maybe it'll rain on us again and wash this salt off. These are 300-year-old fish traps that are still used today.
Came here 4 years ago in a truck, did the island tour and stuff, but we stopped at the same spot, so it's kind of fun to get to come back and see it again. It hasn't changed, it's just as beautiful today as it was then.
It's raining in